Alright guys, we made it back to Knott's Berry Farm for some theme park updates. Let's not waste any more time. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. So they're starting little by little, starting to get more of the wood up. They're starting to paint now. I can't wait to see what that entails. Is that gonna be a new ticket booth? Or a new grab and go? We'll see. Let's talk about MonteZOOma just for a quick second. I've heard some news around the water cooler that the tracks may not be inside the parks. They may be across the street, inside of a warehouse, locked away. It's been scouring around, looking around, and still no trace of the tracks. I mean, that water cooler might be right. They may be inside of a warehouse, outside the park, or behind closed doors. But another one I did hear about is the extension of MonteZOOma. Will there be an extension? Will they actually extend it out further? Will it be a longer ride? Or even my buddy Crash and Josh was even mentioning, will they knock down Jaguar and they make this into a full-on attraction? I was looking at that, and to be honest with you, I don't think so. Because the less attractions you have, the less value Knott's Berry Farm is. We still don't know. Again, there's rumors about a new coaster coming. Maybe that coaster is going to replace Jaguar, replace Pony Express. I'll keep following Adventurez with David for some updates. So I'm going to be here at Knott's Berry Farm a lot, showcasing you guys updates of MonteZOOmas. If you guys ever want to just message me, email me, go to check out my Instagram as well too. And I love hearing you guys' feedback. So right here, look at this. They're actually getting this prepped up and ready to go. The concrete is laid down. Kind of hear they're hammering. The saws going down. Looks like they're doing a full-on refresh here at the Calico Square. Mr. Boysen. I know, you gotta try your last boysenberry before the Boysenberry Festival is over. Well, it's always great to see you, Mr. Boysen. I saw the coyote pups the last time. I told them to behave. Yes. They may have taken one pie. I know, I tried, but they took one pie. I know, it's okay. But it's always good to see you, Mr. Boysen.
Who's got money up here?
We do, yeah. There's always room for one more.
Any volunteers?
I've been actually wanting to ride the Galloping Goose for a long time. It is such a staple here in Knott's Berry Farm, and whenever it's off season and there's not that many people here and they're actually working on the Rio Grande, that is when they bring in the Galloping Goose. I just love riding that. It is so much fun and it is really fast. Oh, it's always great to see you, Mr. Whittles. And you know what? It's the last days of the Boysenberry Festival. I know. We gotta find some other Boysenberry something to actually appetite us, huh? I know. Well, that's right. We got a mine from. Yes. Oh, it's always great to see you, Mr. Whittles. All right, look at this. I always have to highlight the wood artist in general. It actually is pretty cool. Look at the. I found me a Sasquatch. I love how there's different iterations of the Sasquatch. I love that. Look at that. Thumbs up Sasquatch. That's the dude one. So we found the dude Sasquatch. We got another one here, probably holding something. Yeah, check it out. Oh, so it looks like Calico Mine Ride is still under construction right now, is that the result of the reason why we have a water but no waterfall? Oh, all right. There we go. See, now that right there looks like some mining water. There's a little bit of everything in that water, especially that little, I think it's a bee right there. Oh no, you can't catch me drinking this water or even bathing in this water. Ever. Dude, I just think it's crazy how Johnny Rockets just is here on the weekends. Like, why? That's crazy. And, you know, though it does not accept dining plans, but Panda Express does. Oh, look at these two right here. Aww. I know. There you go. I gotta wipe that. There you go. Man, I smell some boysenberry actually somewhere around here. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Now, see, did you guys get some though? Because the Boysenberry Festival is almost over. I know. Well, it's always good to see you both. You guys look fantastic. Well, I'll make sure I won't tell anybody about your secret plans, okay? Okay, no. We can't tell anybody about that. All right, you ready for a picture? All right, so I was actually looking at the Snoopy's TenderPaw Twister. They're actually working currently on the attraction, working currently on the launch point. So those launch points, they pulled it down. Snoopy looks like he's had way too much, boysenberry. Hey, Snoopy! We're on the final days of the Boysenberry Festival. So I say goodbye to you. I know, it's always great to see you. Did you eat a lot of food this time around? You did, huh? I know, it's okay. It's okay. We all... Hey, it's Chuck! And you know what? Out of everybody, I finally got to see you. Lucky enough, I got to see you today before the Boysenberry Festival's over. I like the hat, like the outfit. You look great. Well, it's always great to see you, Chuck. Here at Mac and Spuds, is it gonna happen again? Are we getting a different type of menu? They change this thing more often than not. We'll find out later on. All right, no new updates here at Fridays. For anyone that's actually asking what the updates are, no updates. All right, work is still being done for Ghost Rider. All right, look at that. We got new wood right there. New wood for Ghost Rider. Ah, so that's where the return time paper actually is. Or someone lost the article of clothing. This weekend, Boysenberry Festival is gonna be vamoose. But now, on June 13th, the return of Ghost Town Alive and Summer Nights. Summer Nights is all about food and entertainment, nightly entertainment. But Ghost Town Alive has a hoedown and a very immersive storytelling all throughout the season. So you can come on opening day, you can come mid, you can come afternoon. You basically build your own story. Choose your own adventure. You can be a robber, you can be a Mayfield, you can be a Mad Buck, or you can just be an honorary citizen of Calico. That's the one thing Knott's Berry Farm has done better than ever, is that it revolutionized immersive entertainment. And that's why Universal Fan Fest had Destination Hill Valley. And I started looking at that and it looked like Ghost Town Alive on steroids. Preparations are underway for the opening of Soak City. Soak City should be opening up on Saturday. Make sure you guys get your tickets. You guys are Gold Pass members, you guys are Prestige. They have these security measurements set up and ready to go. The barricades are starting to be there. I feel like it's gonna be one crazy weekend. Now I did hear a couple of things regarding Soak City in general. They need a lot more shade around this park because it's all open. And when it gets hot, it gets hot. All right guys, let's check out some Scary Farm updates. Let's go. By the looks of it, we definitely got some Scary Farm updates. A lot of hustle and bustle back there. And I saw it during the day, like in the morning time and then afternoon. But there's a lot of hustle and bustle. We got some more textures on the wall now. Remember I talked to you guys about the white wall? Now it's beige. And now you start getting more and more textures into it. We're gonna get more and more in depth. I can't wait to see what that's gonna entail. What they're actually gonna bring for Scary Farm for the brand new maze. There's a lot. It was pretty cool. I love seeing them actually working out there. There's no really big updates, only the texturing on the walls, the color on the wall, and then just little things here and there, little breadcrumbs. No news regarding waxwork, so unsure on that one. That is it for today's awesome adventure. We actually stopped by, saw the preparations for Soak City. We saw some more park updates, talked about MonteZOOma's Revenge, as well as talking about Scary Farm. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give it an awesome thumbs up. If you guys haven't and want to follow me right now, make sure you guys are subscribed because you are definitely going to want to follow these next fun adventures. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. I'll see you guys at Comic-Con Revolution. Let's go.